Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to use stack widget in Flutter to place widgets on top of each other like layers, whether you want to overlay images, containers, or build custom UI layouts. Stack makes it super easy. First, we read the document of stack widget. In Flutter, the stack widget is used to overlay widgets on top of each other like layers. It allows you to place widgets in relative position from top, bottom, left or right of the parent stack. Property description alignment aligns children within the stack, e.g. alignment dot center. Fit determines how non-positioned children are sized. Stackfit.loose, stackfit.expanded, and more. Clip behavior control how overflowing children are clipped. Children a list of widgets to display in the stack. When we use stack to place one widget over another to create floating action UI like baggage, overlays, etc. for complex UIs where absolute positioning is required. After that, we move to the code. App bar, use title, after that we use body, center widget, child, use stack widget, children, alignment, alignment, alignment dot center. We use container, width 200, height 200, its color. We use another container width 150, height take 150, color blue. We use another container widget, Color should be red. I hot restart the app. You will you will see the result. This is our first container, second container, and third container that are overlaps with one another. After that, we use position widget. Stack widget. Bottom should be 10. Right. Then after that, I have to reload the app. Stack widget displayed. We use style. Font size 18. How to reload the app. You will see that stack widget display clearly. And that's it. Now you know how to use the stack widget in Flutter like a pro. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below what widget you want to learn next. See you in the next video. Take care, all of you.